Beautiful custom-built, cul-de-sac home by Jason Pruitt with too many upgrades to list, see attached supplemental. Open floor plan, natural light-filled living spaces including large kitchen/keeping room/breakfast area, vaulted ceilings in great room/entry, home office and primary on the main +3 bdrms/2 baths upstairs as well as a bonus area. But wow, the oversized covered porch is amazing. With a wood floor, coffered ceiling with painted beadboard, wood-burning fireplace and one-of-a-kind porch swing overlooking a private, fence-level yard, you won't want to leave this happy place. Walk to clubhouse, tennis courts and pool. Showings begin 2:25.